Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your Virgin Travel bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in virginaustralia.com and click on enter. Now you'll be directed to official homepage of Virgin Australia. Now click on login button, which is at the top right corner here. After that, a login page will appear where you need to type in your Velocity number. After typing in your number, you can type a password here. If you can't find a membership number, you can click on this link here. Or if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instructions to reset it. Now click on login button to log into your Virgin Travel's bank account. If you are not a member yet, you can click on this link to join for free. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.